What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're going to be working on both these quads. Well, we're already working on them. I just decided to pick up the camera. And we took the carburetor off of the 125 because the 185's carburetor is completely seized. It doesn't let any oil or gasoline through, so you can't drive it. That's why the throttle up here was stuck. We took this apart with some, what is it called? PB Blast?
PB Blaster, yeah.
PB Blaster, yeah.
PB Blaster.
PB Blaster, yeah. That's right. I'm totally right. And this carburetor actually, it works. You can see the spring isn't completely seized. It's actually in way better condition than that one. But I mean, faults like that, that's what you get for borrowing a quad for X amount of money. Being pretty cheap. Some things I did to the Big Bear though. I hot glued this light in the back on, and it's actually sticking on really well. And then I glued this thing, this Big Bear patch, with hot glue as well. And I'm happy about both of them. We got toe chains for pulling out stumps with the Big Bear. And with these quads, I think I want to take those tires, put them on this, because these are way fatter. And they don't hold air. I don't know if they hold air, actually. They might.
Yeah, we haven't tried them yet.
Yeah, we haven't tried them yet. But, yeah, I'll pick up the camera once we have done more stuff. We took apart the carburetor, and there's water and crap all inside of it. That's so disgusting.
Mineral
it's
deposits.
corroded, too.
Yeah, limestone deposits. It's all junk.
That's disgusting.
Can't operate. We're gonna try to pull this cable assembly since it still has the cap.
Right, and it's actually not a frayed little wire like this one is on this car.
Move it to the other, or put it on the other side.
Right.
Yeah, this thing's absolute junk.
Yeah. Oh, and if anybody knows, what is this on the front? Because there is no little lever like that on the 125. It's just here, and it connects
right here into the engine.
right there.
Okay.
Oh, it's actually moving more now.
Cool.
Huh. Anyways, I don't know what it is. Can somebody please tell me in the comments? That'd be great. Okay, guys, it's actually the next day from when I filmed the last segment, and we've done a lot. So as you might notice here, there's no carburetor. As you might notice here, there's a fully connected carburetor. Now, we combined the 125's carb and the 185's carb to make a Frankencarb, or a 1,000, or a, wait, let's see, 185,125 carb. And yeah, we combined them, and we haven't really done much other than that, but it's super clean. It looks good. We pulled this off in the front. Piston moves freely. It's not being bogged up or anything. The engine isn't stuck. This goes into reverse, which is good. It's not running yet, but we'll get it running soon because we need to change the oil. It needs a 21 millimeter socket, and the biggest one we have is a 19. So we'll get one of those probably tomorrow. Then we need to put oil in it. It's 10W40. We have some right here. And we also need to change the oil filter, and then put on an air filter. And then after that, cosmetic stuff and also comfort stuff. We need to have cushion on the seat because I don't want rusty staples in my butt cheeks. That'll hurt. But yeah, other than that, we've done a lot, and this is honestly super exciting. I'm very, very excited for this. I feel like it'll be cool. I want to turn it into a like Mad Max themed four-wheeler. I mean, this one, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I might part it out or engine swap it. That'd be pretty cool. Then this, I'm going to run it naked in the front, so no plastics, and then in the back plastics, because the plastics in the front have actually little plastic parts that connect to like right here, and let's see where else, here, and down here. Those have all snapped, so we can't actually connect it properly. And I'm just going to run it naked on the front. It'll be fine. It doesn't matter. And then plastics in the back, because that's how the seat goes on. Kind of have to do that. But 125, not sure what's going to happen with it. It's missing carburetor now, and it doesn't have a full start assembly. Reverse doesn't go into reverse, which sucks. Let's see what else. The brakes are good on it though, and the chain's fine, and the tires are fine, except for those need to be replaced. And these need some slime in them. But other than that, it's not fine. Let me just tell you that. I'm not even gonna act like it's fixable. You need to order a lot of parts for it. This one, it goes into reverse properly, as you can see actually. So the quad should go into reverse this time. And, yeah. And nothing. So, shift up. Let's see, yeah, you can see it now. Shift up. Now it's not doing anything, is it? Alright, now it should go in reverse. Alright. Wait, maybe this has to be out. Nope. Alright, it's not going into reverse, and on that disappointment, I'll see you guys in the next episode. And I'm starting again. Bye.